So I'm going to show you how to bring text in front of an object box. Okay, and this is quite a complicated process if you don't know how you're doing it, and it can get quite frustrating. So type in what you want put in. So once you've typed it, drag it across where you want your lettering to go, and then we're going to create a box to put the image in. So we're going to go to the rectangle tool and we want to fill the box. Okay, so you drag it across and it's going to fill a nice blue color. Okay, so you go to fill, choose the color you want, and then stroke, which is the outline of the circle. So we use blue for this moment. And what you want to do is you want to click on the lettering and then you want to move it around. But as you can see, it's going underneath the box. And there's a really quick way of getting it in front. You just click it, move up, move above the actual rectangle, and then click on your lettering, and there you go. It's in front of the box. Okay, so it's the beauty of using the layers and just placing it over the top of each other. I'll show you another example. We'll use a circle tool, and then let's do another fill circle, and we're going to open up an image. So we're going to put an image on top. So we select, we copy. So we'll quick do it. Select all, and it will take the whole of the picture. Copy and edit paste, and as you can see, it's pasted it over the top straight away. But if you move it down, the picture has disappeared. So remember, click on the layer and move it above. Control T to click the whole of the image. Stretch out the image and double click. If you don't double click, you'll get the horrible pixelated image. And as you can see, it's a nice, crisp, clear image. And just move it to your required destination. And that's how and obviously you need to apply. And that's how you put lettering over the boxes.